Hello folks, welcome to my new video. In today's video we're going to be talking about the servo motor. And what is a servo motor, you may be asking? Well, a servo motor is a type of motor that can rotate with great precision. It is powered by a DC power supply or even an AC power supply, and is used in many applications like toy cars, RC helicopters and planes, and robotics, etc. Servo motors are rated in kilograms per centimeter and can lift a certain amount of weight depending on the distance the load is suspended from the motor shaft. So, how do we control a servo motor? All motors have 3 wires coming out of them, out of which 2, in this case, the brown and red wire, will be used for supply, positive, negative, red and brown respectively, and 1, the orange one in this case, will be used for the signal that is to be sent from the MCU. The servo motor is controlled by PWM, which is pulse width modulation, which is provided by the control wires. There is a minimum pulse, a maximum pulse, and a repetition rate. Servo motor can turn 90 degrees from either direction, which means 180 degrees in total, from its neutral position. A servo motor expects to see a pulse every 20 milliseconds, and the length of the pulse will determine how far the motor turns. So that's the basics. Let's get on with the video. So actually the project that we're gonna be doing today is a windshield wiper. It's basically a windshield wiper except smaller, I guess you could say. So these are actually servo horns. You just take them off, put them back on, just like that. And let's discuss all the other materials we need for this project. We need some male-to-male wires, any color. This is actually an Arduino board, the microcontroller that we're going to be using today to control the servo motor. And this is a breadboard. We're going to be using it for the connections. These are actually male-to-male wires. Again, we're going to be using them to connect the servo motor to the Arduino board. And this is, of course, the servo motor. So the code for this project is actually very simple. So first we include a library, and then we declare a variable for the servo pin, and then in the void loop we have some weird numbers there. Those numbers mean every 20 milliseconds the servo motor moves 1 degree, and then it delays for 1 second and then moves back to its original neutral position. And for the final result, here is our windshield wiper. Look at it go. It's going it's about 90 degrees, a little less I would say, because not all windshield wipers go 90 degrees.